Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Junk, where we turn everyday simple people into crypto junkies. That's right, like yourself, you could be the next crypto junkie. Check out the links in the description because I do have other videos with lots of information that might help you, as well as a Discord channel if you guys want to join and chat and freaking join the badass community of crypto junkies, where we are going to talk about crypto. We're all going to get rich together and it's going to be freaking magical, okay? I hope you enjoy that. Today, what we are talking about is getting started in crypto. I'm here to hold your hand. Again, my name is Jamie. I have worked in the IT industry for over 12 years, and one of my specialties is explaining to everyday people technical jargon and kind of breaking it down, and I just want to ease you into crypto. I want to get you excited about crypto. I want to get you crypto junking out, man. So guys, let's check out some coins today. Let's start investing. Let's get your first coin. Okay, so today we're going to be focusing on a couple of different apps. I use apps, they're all available on the phone. I'm going to start with some like really easy apps that maybe aren't as strong as some of the other apps, or maybe I don't recommend as much. But if you guys are just getting started, I want you guys to consider a couple of different things and find which app is going to work best for you. Maybe you're going to try them all, maybe you're going to only try one. It doesn't matter. I actually have like 4 apps or 4 different things that I use to invest in cryptocurrency. So let's get started. All right, guys, if you can see here, this is kind of like my financial thing. Those bottom 4, well, these 4 apps right here, boop. These are the apps that I primarily use for crypto. I do have 2 other apps, but I'm not using them a lot right now. But what I want to talk to you guys, my favorite app and the app that I got started investing in crypto is actually Crypto.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description for Crypto.com, and I want you guys to check this out because this app to me is the strongest. It's the most secure. Right now it seems to be very reliable. They do verify your information. You will have to send a picture of your ID. It's very official. It's very secure. I really like the Crypto.com app, and it does have the most desired cryptocurrencies on it. You cannot buy every single coin on every single app. Each app has different coins that it holds, or you can exchange on it. And my favorite coins are, for the most part, on the Crypto.com app. So guys, I just want to talk to you guys. This is the Crypto.com app. This is what it looks like. As you can see here, these are a lot of the cryptos that I am following and look at every day. They constantly refresh. They send me notifications. Like I said, this app is very secure. As far as ease of use, I'd probably give it 3 out of 5 stars. It could be a little bit easier. There might be, I think Robinhood might look and be a little bit easier to navigate. However, you're extremely limited on the amount of cryptos that you're allowed to buy. Also, these days you can buy cryptocurrency on PayPal, which if you're also just starting out and you already have a PayPal account, I would highly recommend that you log into PayPal right now and take a look at investing in some crypto there. So the cryptos that I'm really interested in purchasing are Cardano, Dogecoin, and Chainlink. Those are probably my 3 favorite personal right now today in May of 2021. Those are my 3 favorite coins that I've really been hodling. And if you don't know what hodl means hold. But some dude in Reddit like misspelled it one time, and you know how that goes in the internet world. Like people take it and run with it. So that is what hodl means. So I am always trying to stock up on some Dogecoin. Doge isn't the most economical coin right now. However, this week Elon Musk did announce that he was working with the devs of Dogecoin to make it more efficient, to make it cheaper, to make it attainable for everyday people to use. The fees when using Dogecoin in a transaction should be a lot lower than the fees in using something like Ethereum. You guys are probably very familiar with Ethereum if you know anything about cryptocurrency. In order, you first started with Bitcoin, and then they were like, Bitcoin's awesome, let's make it like a little bit better. And so therefore 2-3 dudes came up with Ethereum. Pretty awesome. It's like crypto 2.0, where Bitcoin's like Crypto 1.0, you got your Crypto 2.0 with Ethereum. Then one of the guys that actually created Ethereum said, I'm gonna work with some other dudes and we're gonna create this other one called Cardano. The software that Cardano is built on should revolutionize the healthcare industry, the real estate industry, procurement, government, as far as sending data secure and fast. Cardano is built on such a great digital ecosystem, and that's why I'm always pushing Cardano. So Cardano would be like Crypto 3.0. So that's really why I'm always pushing Cardano. A lot of the people that I got like super interested into crypto recently, I was pushing Cardano on them when it was like worth like $1.30. And so when it like hit $2.40 this weekend, they were really thanking me. You're welcome, guys. To get into the Crypto.com app, you will have to sign up for it. Use my link below. If you want the $25 US dollar reward, you do need to stake $400 worth of Crow coin, and that is to get that red, ruby red. It's a steel card. I have that card. You guys don't have to do that. I don't get any rewards if you guys use my link and you don't stake the $400. That doesn't bother me. I'm not making this channel necessarily to make money. It would be awesome if it did, but I really want to educate you guys and make sure you feel comfortable investing in cryptocurrency. That's why I'm here. So once you guys have walked through all the steps, it's actually pretty easy. They'll tell you what you need to do next in order to start purchasing crypto. So once you guys have gotten through that, you're going to hit a verification period. Depending on the volume of people trying to get onto the app, sometimes it might take a few days. If you're lucky, it might only take a few hours or a few minutes. So I don't know what year or month you're watching this video in, but let's just say that you guys have been verified and you are ready for the next step. So what you guys will have to do is you will have to deposit some money into your Crypto.com app. You can use a debit or credit card for this step. They'll just select what you want to use on there and then deposit some of your money. You can hit the track button is how I like to do it because I like to see all the prices. And then I would say, look for the coin that you want. We're gonna do Cardano, because like I said, Cardano is one of my favorites. And you can see Cardano right here. And we're gonna click on Cardano, and at the bottom there, the big blue bar, it says buy. Doesn't get much easier than that. Now, on this page, you'll notice that there are 3 tabs at the top. It'll say credit card, it'll say crypto wallet, and it'll say fiat wallet. These are your options for purchasing your cryptocurrency of your choice. In this case, we're doing Cardano. So if I choose crypto wallet, it'll actually let me choose some of the coins that I actually have in my wallet. I could buy Cardano with Ethereum, or I could buy Cardano with crypto coin, which is Crow coin. Okay guys, now I do want to tell you that when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, I do work full time. I don't have a very large disposable income at all. In fact, I live paycheck to paycheck. So when I am investing in cryptocurrency, I'm always investing like $10, $20, or maybe $50 at a time. I'm not balling out. I'm not investing 10 grand, 2 grand, whatever in here at a time. That's just beyond my means. So the reason why I'm telling you that is because I want you to feel comfortable investing even if you don't have a very large disposable income, and if you're like me and you can't afford to put $2,000 into a crypto portfolio right now. Like I said, this is not financial advice. I am an IT professional. I do work in the tech industry, but I am not a financial advisor. Please only invest what you can afford to lose. That's why I'm always okay with throwing 10 or 20 bucks down on some coins every once in a while. It's comfortable. I don't feel freaked out, and I've made some really good money off of some of the coins that I've only thrown a little bit of money on. So if you guys want to hear about how I invested $25 and made $3,400, please watch the video in the description for that. All right, guys, if you have more questions on investing using the Crypto.com app or any of the other apps, please ask them in the questions below. Don't forget to join the Discord community so that we can all help each other out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.